In a bid to bolster connectivity and accessibility, particularly in remote regions of Manipur, Chief Minister Nongthammong launched the second helicopter passenger service of Imphal to Jiribam and Imphal to Tamenglong today via video conferencing today. The initiative is taken up under the Regional Connectivity Scheme, Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, spearheaded by the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Speaking to media at CMS Secretariat, Chief Minister Nongthammong said the service marks a significant step towards enhancing connectivity and accessibility for the people, especially between Imphal city and district headquarters. He maintained that the same will not only improve transportation but also facilitate economic growth and development across Manipur. He maintained that Imphal to Jiribam helicopter service under Pawan Hans Limited will provide additional service to the people 3 days a week at the rate of 3,054 rupees per person above the existing service provided by Global Vectra Company on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. He went on to say that the heli service will ease the road transportation difficulties facing the people, adding that the heli service will cover Imphal to Jiribam journey in just 30 minutes. Biren also assured that measures are underway to reduce the fares for heli service at subsidized rates. He also said that the Imphal to Ukhrul heli service launched on Monday will ease the challenges facing the people during emergencies. Chief Minister Nongthammong also inaugurated the two-base temporary garages of Nambol Fire Substation and Loitang Kono Fire Substation on the occasion. He said that the two new bays will enable the firefighters to respond faster and improve their capability during emergencies and other incidents. Water Resources Minister Wangbong Nyumai, Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar, Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, Transport Minister Kashim Washum, Jiribam MLA Asakuddin and Tamenglong MLA Jahenlung Panmay and other officials were present at the event.
Nasisi milestone saying helicopter service we have already got one. And today launching the second helicopters. From my side today, heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji under the Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagrik schemes.
Under the Regional Connectivity Scheme, Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, second heli service for Jiribam district has been launched by our Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh ji. So this would be second heli service for the Jiribam. So for today, which has been launched, it would be 3 days in a week. And the fare from Jiribam to Imphal and Imphal to Jiribam, it's at 3,045 rupees. Thank you.
Meanwhile, the public have expressed their opinions to reduce the fares of the second heli service from Imphal to Jiribam provided by Pawan Hans, which costs 3,045 rupees per person. Speaking to media, one resident from Jiribam, namely L. Purnachandra, mentioned the fare of the previous heli service, which costs 2,500 rupees per person, stating that the public have been urging the authorities concerned to reduce the fares. He drew the attention of the state government to look into the matter and reduce the fares of the heli services.